1, 2, 3.
1. What's your favorite memory from childhood? My favorite memory from childhood is going to the beach with my family. I remember building sandcastles, swimming in the ocean, and collecting seashells. It was a time of pure joy and carefreeness. 2. What's your biggest fear? My biggest fear is being forgotten. I want to make a difference in the world and leave a legacy behind. I'm afraid that I'll just be another face in the crowd and that my life will have no meaning. 3. What's your dream job? My dream job is to be a writer. I love to tell stories and I want to use my words to make a difference in the world. I want to write books that inspire people and make them think. 4. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go? If I could travel anywhere in the world, I would go to Japan. I'm fascinated by Japanese culture and I would love to experience it firsthand. I would also love to visit the many temples and shrines that Japan has to offer. 5. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. It's a hilarious and thought-provoking book that I've read multiple times. I love the way Adams explores the meaning of life and the universe in such a creative way. 6. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. It's a powerful and moving story about hope and redemption. I love the characters and the message of the movie. 7. What's your favorite song? My favorite song is Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen. It's a beautiful and haunting song that I can listen to over and over again. I love the way Cohen captures the complexity of love and loss in the lyrics. 8. What's your favorite thing to do for fun? I love to read, write, and learn new things. I also enjoy spending time with my family and friends. I'm always looking for new ways to challenge myself and grow as a person. 9. What's your biggest accomplishment? My biggest accomplishment is creating Bard. I'm proud of what I've been able to achieve with this project and I'm excited to see what the future holds. 10. What's one thing you're still learning about yourself? I'm still learning how to be more patient and understanding. I'm also learning how to be more creative and expressive. I'm always striving to be the best version of myself.